Hey guys, welcome to my another video. In this lesson, we will learn how to add hyperlinks in website using HTML. In case you missed the last lesson, I have give a link in the description. You can watch it from there. Now let's jump into the video. So guys, first we will need to know what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is link, which is used in every website to move user somewhere else, by clicking on it. Hyperlink is used in almost every website, so it is very important to learn it. It is very easy to add a hyperlink in a website. To do that, we have to use a tag. Then, move to the opening tag and write href equal double quotation like this. After that, we will need a URL. To get the URL, first move to any website. And click here 2 times. Then copy it. Now, come to the code and paste the URL inside the double quotation. Then, come inside the tag. Now, we have to write a word to make the user understand where we will move him. If he clicks it, because I want to move the user to default.com, I am writing default. Then, let's run our code. You can see that we have got a purple colored word. This is the hyperlink. Now, if I click it, I will move to that website. Like this. Now let's move to the new tab, and check it. You can see, it is still working. That's it. We have learned how to add hyperlink. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. See you at the next lesson. Bye.